Hey folks, so what I've got here is I've got two different liquids, and you can see that I have them in different colors, and these different colors are for so we can differentiate them. And what I've got them in is I've got them in a little beaker here. So what we're going to do is we're going to heat up the water that's inside the beaker. I'm recording the temperature, which you'll be able to see in the corner of the screen. And then we're going to see how that affects the level of the liquid here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mark where the liquids are to start. All right, and we're going to eventually measure how far they've actually traveled. So I'm just going to go ahead and turn this bad boy on. We're just going to let this run for a little while. I'll be marking it periodically just to kind of see where things are at. About every 10 degree or about every 5 degrees or so, I'm going to make little marks. So we'll just let it run and see what we get. All right, so here it's at 25 degrees. And 30 degrees. $35 degrees. $40 degrees. So what we can very clearly see here is the increase here. We can see how how these have moved up. And what we can say here is that because it is now moved up into here, we can say that the liquid's volume has expanded. Okay, the particles inside are moving farther and farther apart. The liquid here has expanded, and we can see that for both of them. Now clearly this one over here has expanded a lot more than this one, right? So that means that this one is a different substance than this liquid. In fact, this is actually ethanol and this is water. So you can see that ethanol expands a lot more than water does. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold up a ruler. We're going to take a little snapshot, and what I want you to do is I want you to graph both for the ethanol and for the water, how far did it travel, okay, and make a graph versus with the temperature versus the how far it has expanded, okay.